Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you 5 useful iPhone features you might not know about. Number 1 is the back tap. For that you need to go to settings, then accessibility, then tap on touch and back tap. You can assign actions to double or triple taps on the back of your iPhone. Number 2 is live text. You can select and copy text directly from supported photos and images. Number 3 is scan text. In supported apps, your iPhone can recognize text through the cameras and let you insert it into a document or message. Number 4 is reachability. If your screen feels difficult to reach with one hand, this feature can move the top portion of the display lower. And number 5 is customizing control center. You can add, remove, and rearrange supported controls, or your most used settings are easier to access. So these features are built into iOS, so you don't need a specific third-party app. So those are 5 hidden or lesser known iPhone features worth trying. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.